to Sabre Quick Tips. Today's lesson covers the Enhanced Past Date PNR solution. The Enhanced Past Date PNR solution provides you with the ability to access past date PNRs directly and immediately in the Sabre Red workspace system. This new solution is a more efficient method to access past date PNRs within the agency workflow using common PNR formats. You may now have immediate access of up to 2 years of past date PNR data. Improve your efficiency by eliminating the need to create OTH retention segments to keep the PNR accessible in the Sabre Red workspace. This new functionality allows you to easily alternate your search between different search criteria. There are many different ways to search for past date PNRs. Let's see some examples. Here I'm searching for a past date PNR by record locator. Type display the record locator dash and letter P. Keep in mind that dash P defines the past date PNR search, and it must be added at the end of the formats. Notice this banner which indicates that the PNR is a past date record. You may search for a past date PNR by ticket number. Just type display TKT, the 13-digit ticket number, dash P. Bear in mind that the itinerary section is a replica of the passenger's itinerary, not including any cancelled segments which can be found in the history section. Let's say that you know the customer's exact name of the PNR you are looking for. Type display N dash the exact passenger's name, dash P for past date PNR. You may also search for the exact name and branch PCC by typing display N dash the Suto city code, dash the exact passenger name, dash P. Enhanced PNR search allows you to search for PNRs across all branches. Another useful search criteria when you do not remember the passenger's exact name is the similar name. This entry allows you to search for past date PNRs associated to a specified similar passenger name. Display dash the similar name, dash P. In this case, there is a long list, so you need to select a PNR by typing display and the line number. The Enhanced Past Date PNR search returns a list containing a maximum of 250 PNRs. If that maximum is exceeded, an error response displays, and in order to locate the PNR, you must refine your search criteria with a combination of different parameters. You may also search for PNRs by flight details and name. Type display the carrier code, flight number, / flight date with the year, dash the name, dash P. The wildcard search is based on names that start with the character strings listed in your input. Display dash the name or characters that you remember from the name, Cross of Lorraine, dash letter P. If an exact match is found, the past date PNR will be displayed on the screen. However, if an exact match is not found, the system will display the results in a similar name list. You may also search for past date PNRs by wildcard passenger within a branch office and across all branch locations. You can always redisplay your previous list of results by typing display all. For more help on this topic, check out some of our other training and support references. You may access Agency eServices website under the Community tab in the Sabre Red workspace. Remember, you may also find detailed information in Format Finder. Thank you for your time. This concludes the lesson on Enhanced Past Date PNR Solution by Sabre Quick Tips.